What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode, special edition episode of Kicking Asphalt, man. Out making steel deliveries, freezing to death, but got a little time. I got to wait while this stuff gets dipped. So let's look back at some of our favorite moments as we close in on 1 million views on the Kicking Asphalt vlog YouTube channel. Jump back up in the truck. Boy, it's freezing out there this morning. Look like air and them gonna get snowed in this weekend up in Hampton. Talking about 12 to 14 inches of snow. Woo-wee. So let's start at the beginning, man. Back in the early years, some of our favorite moments back to our Greenville Pickens days. Got a little too close to the inside wall on entry. Yeah, I think that tire's still good. What y'all think, guys?
Yeah, looks good to me.
Them Greenville Pickens days or something, boy. I miss that place a whole bunch. It's still for sale for like $4.5–5 million. So hopefully somebody will get it. And racing won't be over there forever. But man, we had a little bit of a dispute, I guess you could call it. Was trying to run for points at Greenville, and it just fell out, man. We had a little hell, I don't even remember exactly what it was. We disagreed, and then we started traveling. We went to Hickory. Damn, that went bad.
Drivers, and the 00 finishing third, all the way from Georgia. That is Boo Carlisle.
We're here with Boo Carlisle driving this beautiful IROC Camaro, man. Looked like you had a good car. Were you catching him there at the end, or was that just the way it looked from up in the booth?
I was. I heated that right rear up. I told Jansen, who's on the Kicking Asphalt vlogs with me, he spots for me, and I told him, I said, man, I said, we can catch him, but I don't know if we're going to be able to do nothing with him, and we just heated the right rear up too much.
Looked like you had a stout car out there, though.
Oh, yeah, we fought carburetor problems all race, and I was kind of like, dang, am I just going to start in high gear, or do I want to try to change gears on the start? And I tried to time it, and he didn't go, and I was like, so I stumbled, and he got away, and I mean, y'all was able to see, we was able to catch him a little bit, but we just, I ain't gonna lie and say we ran out of time unless we'd had a caution. If we'd had a caution, trophy might be going back to Georgia, but you know, congratulations to him, and we'll be back soon.
Well, congratulations, man. Thanks for coming and racing with us at Hickory Speedway.
Great job to everybody that helped us out today. We ended up second, but it is what it is. Fun times that was. They told me it's going to be a few hours on the getting everything dipped, so I think we came and found me somewhere to snack. Y'all know Fat Boy got to eat. Well, all these racetracks we went to over the years, we found some good places to eat at. I just rolled in the clock of Lawrence, right here outside Lawrence, South Carolina. See if we can't find us a biscuit. This clock of Lawrence. I always liked the big clocks on the way when we'd go race at Tri-County or Greenville Pickens or whatever. So hopefully this place will be just as good. That biscuit never stood a chance in there. Head back over here to the steel marks. We keep looking back at some of the best moments. I always liked that red car the most when we started rolling to Tri-County. We had a pretty social media moment when I had a good buddy of mine, Drew Cox, spotting. Y'all check this clip out. It got a lot of attention.
You're good. Outside, you see him. Outside, you see him. Outside door, you see him. You see him. Door, outside. Outside door, still there. One on your bumper. One on your bumper. You see him. Outside, still there. Still out there. Outside. That a boy, come on, dig. Outside. Outside, still there. Still there, you see him. You see him. Outside, you see him. Still out there. Outside, still out there. Still out there. 32, outside door. Outside door, clear by car up back. Still outside door. Outside door. Good run. 3 and 4 looks good. Outside door. Smoke on the bump. Off the corner. Off the corner. Outside door. Outside door. Still there. Door. Still there. Door. 55 slow. Let's roll the bottom. Outside door. Still there. Come on. Still there. Oh, there's your door. Still there. You see him. Still there. You see him. Outside door. Outside door.
Get back over here and sit for a couple hours, go through some more videos as we get close in on 1 million. Hope y'all have enjoyed the look back so far. Let's move on to when we had the fluorescent orange car, the partnership with GXS Wraps and Stephen Dunn. Had some good times after the races. So but we had good times at the races too. So let's look back at some of those clips.
Machine beside him is Jim.
Top 3 transfer. We are ready with Berger on the front row alongside Cody DeMarmels. Green flag awaits. 25 laps. I thought he saved it. He spins it, goes around.
Made some light contact there with the inside wall, and he is going to... Rock Nationals. Here they come out of turn number 4, Berger and turn 1.
Alan Boo Carlisle, I know he's hungry. He wants to try to make the New Year's Bash, the 00 right in the middle. As here we can see now these cars going out of Josh Poor, one of the way races. And he's got a hornet's nest behind him as Worthington about tags the wall as cars do go spinning, slamming through the air goes Ant Kohler. That car is destroyed as it comes to a rest in turn 1.
Well, back over here waiting. Let's take a peek at one of the hardest hits, other than the Dillon wreck that everybody knows about recently at Tri-County. We had some people retaliating, and we just got caught up in their mess, had nowhere to go. Old brake pedal wasn't mashed hard enough. So take a look at this. I know y'all can't see it, but it's starting to spit snow here. Doing a little bit of sleeting as we continue this look back at the Kicking Asphalt brand over all these years. Leave in the comments what some of your favorite moments. And shoot, maybe we'll do like a second video, read these things or something. So racing ain't kicking off for a few more weeks. We gotta keep content coming. Then there was the time when the Cars Tour came calling. And we got to meet a bunch of new people, make a lot of connections. It's really helped down the line, especially with the Star Tour stuff. So let's go back and look at a few of our favorite Cars Tour moments.
As Queen will drive it once again off the corner. Here, Dominion race of the year. More contact there. Here comes Bobby McCarty. 3. Lap to go. Queen on the outside. McCarty on the bottom. Half a lap to settle it at Dominion. McCarty on the bottom. Brendan Quinn on the top side. McCarty will slide in. Queen trying to hold him off. A drag race down to the line. And Bobby McCarty will win it by 9/1000ths of a second. And Bobby McCarty will head to Cars Tour victory lane for the first time in... It's quite the scene down there. Behind him. He gets muscled up a little bit there by Lane Riggs. Here comes Mason Diaz, the next car in line, as the lights go out on the racetrack. a power outage under green with the caution flag waving here at Langley, and it has gone dark in Hampton, Virginia.
Not sure exactly what's taking place, but lap number 94, we do have the yellow flag, cars slowing. We're having a hard time seeing out of the window, but nevertheless, it looks like everybody...
Real close. I don't know what they're doing. It should be nice and easy. Green flag. Good, outside, check off. Check off, no, come on. What? Lock it down. Lock it down. You alright?
Yeah. You can see the left rear tire completely down, almost ripped completely off the wheel. You have to wonder how much damage there may be there on the rear end housing of that number 55.
Yeah, it's dead. Kill the rear end. Rip the rear end out of it. Car's bent. Yeah, we're done. Truck car's bent in half. I'll put a wheel on it though if I can.
All right, that'll finish it up. Get this thing headed back to the great state of Georgia from Lawrence, South Carolina. Day up, finally got everything galvanized. Now we headed back to the great state of Georgia. Hope y'all have enjoyed the look back at everything that it took to get to 1 million. Hey, cheers to 1 million. Let's go on and get to the next one. Let's go to 2 million before we wave the checker flag on all this fun. But y'all know what to do. For more Kicking Asphalt content, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Take care.